What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alexis here, and I'm back again with Wiggins hair. So today we're hopping right into the install. Wiggins hair sent me a loose deep wave wig. It is a 13x4 frontal. It is 24 inches and 200% density, so super thick. Okay, now I'm just showing you guys the inside construction. We have the adjustable straps in the back, we have a comb in the back, comb on the side, and another comb on the side. This wig fit pretty perfectly. The lace I think was transparent, so I did have to apply some makeup. Now for some reason in this video my lace looks super dark, but I promise in person it did not look like that. But for the next time I install it, I probably will use a little bit lighter shade. It's like my summer shade, and like I said, in person it looks better than actually on camera. But I'm just using my EBN lace spray, and I'm using that to lay down the wig. And we do the wig install in 3 parts. We've been through this several times. So I do the middle flap first, and then I do the 2 sides. And I use my comb to pretty much push the lace into the glue and then proceed. That was pretty self-explanatory. So now we're hopping into cutting the lace off. So I'm just using my scissors, and I'm kind of like pulling the lace down onto the scissors and letting the scissors kind of cut. And I'm just cutting the lace completely off before I lay down my, what is it, the strap or the elastic band onto my forehead, so that the lace can be laid down a little bit more. I like to use this method to cut off my lace, and if you guys can see, like in the temple area, I did make the slit a little bit higher into the lace. Quick tip: when the lace is super thin, sometimes it likes to bunch up. So to get rid of the bunching, you just create 2 little slits in the lace in the temple area, and it stops it from bunching up when you're applying the wig because the lace is so thin. So spraying a little bit of extra lace spray to lay that down so that everything lays pretty much flat. I pulled out the baby hairs and everything, and then I just put the band around my forehead. So now I'm trying to see what the hair is talking about. I did over bleach just a little bit, but right here you're just gonna see me hot combing the hair back over the last track of the wig, and then we're going to try and proceed to styling. I'm not sure if I mentioned this in a previous video, but a wax stick and got to be glued does the trick every time to make sure that your wig is on flat. Okay, so now we're gonna take the band off, and I'm going back in, and I'm gonna do my baby hairs first, and then I'm going to go into my style. So for my baby hairs, we're gonna go in with the mini flat iron. I'm going to curl them with the mini flat iron, curl them down. That's been my favorite method right now. Curling them first, and then I'm going to cut off the extra hairs, and then we're going to use Gorilla Snot to actually slick them the way we want them to be. All right, so now that we're all swooped up, I'm putting the strap back around my head so that I can proceed to styling. So for this style, I actually referenced my one of my favorite TikTok hairstyles that I see a lot. So it's pretty much like two parts on the side, and then you just slick everything back into one ponytail in a half up, half down. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here. I'm kind of making like a triangular type of part. So once everything is all separated, I go in with my wax stick and then my got to be glued, and then I hot comb each section down, and then I hot comb it back so that everything can be flat and there's no type of like puffiness within the roots of the wig and all that stuff. So once I do that, I am peeping that it is, like I said, a little bit over bleached in the knots. So I'm gonna go back and fix that up, and the easiest way to do so is pretty much makeup. But if you want to do a more permanent fix, you can go in with like a small comb or a color brush, and then go in with a darker hair color and just put it on the roots, and it'll dry, and then the color will permanently stay and your knots will not be over bleached anymore. So for my over bleached knots, I'm going in with a Juvia's Place makeup palette. I'm going in with the black eyeshadow. And I'm just using that to recolor the knots into a darker color. One, so that it'll be easier to define my part and it'll just look a little bit more natural. So obviously, like I said, this is a temporary fix, but when I'm ready and I feel like it, I can always go in, like I said, with the darker hair dye and just put that onto the roots where it's over bleached. Now I'm going in with my concealer of choice with a slanted brush, and I'm just putting that through the part so that it defines the part. And like I said, it just makes it look all natural. So we're taking the band down, and now I'm going to try and slick everything back into a half up, half down ponytail. My ponytail was secured with a rubber band. And then you'll just see me going in on the sides and kind of just hot combing everything down. Now for the actual curl pattern, I'm just going in with some water. I didn't use any product today. And I'm just using the water to kind of like drench the hair a little bit. Then I'm going in with my diamond brush to kind of just define the loose deep wave so we can have the curls pop a little bit more. This wig has to be like one of my favorite wigs that I've gotten. It's super long. It definitely touches my butt. It's just bomb. So I'm just showing you guys what came with the wig. I got some lashes, a headband, two headbands, a wig cap, and an edge brush. And that pretty much completes the look. This hair is super bomb and easy to maintain. Definitely is one of my new go-to wigs. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this Wiggins hair install, and I will see you guys in the next one.